Hey guys, I'm so excited that we're just 1 week away from launching the 0 to 10K Scale Playbook. Now, I want you to know, because you're grabbing the Kindle version, this book will be twice its size in less than 1 year because there's so many things to add to this. When you're getting this book on launch day for 99 cents, you're going to be getting the latest version of this book forever. That means that I am committed to making sure that every strategy for lead generation, every strategy for sales, every strategy for differentiating yourself, which I'll like to talk about in a second, is going to be covered in depth anytime. That's one of the bonuses of grabbing the digital version. You are getting the latest version forever. One of the biggest challenges that is affecting not just entrepreneurs or businesses, especially creative folks, marketing folks, is that they do not know how to differentiate themselves. They do not differentiate themselves through the service, the product, the framework, who they serve. Nothing is differentiated. And what that means is that to the end customer, you look just like everybody else. While this book was kind of intended for that person who's starting, who's trying to scale, get to the $10,000 mark or 20,000 or whatever their dream is, but the concepts and the principles that are here took me almost 2 decades to understand. It took me 2 decades to understand, wow, if I don't do this, I'm not going to make to the end result. I'm not going to make the money that I'm trying to make. I'm not going to be able to serve the people. That's just one of the concepts that you're going to be learning in this book. It's the differentiation. If there's one thing that if I can pinpoint that every single agency owner out there that needs to listen to and take note of and implement, it's differentiation. It's to not make your website look like every other agency on the planet. We need to infuse your personality, your ideas, your identity into your business to make it unique. Again, guys, I'm just so excited. We're 1 week away from launch. So put yourself a reminder, September 29, 9 o'clock in the morning, whatever time zone you are in, it will be available on Amazon. Grab the digital copy for 99 cents. And I want to help as many people as possible reach their mission, their vision, whatever impact that they have for themselves and the people around them that they want to make. That's what this book is about. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you on launch day.